Good Thursday afternoon. Welcome to Back in the Garage. Today I'm going to replace where there's not a roller right here. I found a kit that is made by Mustang, which I'd get no sponsorship off of him. This is a two-piece roller that screws together to replace the plastic one that seems to break. And I mean, you know, this is an 85 model car. You would think, you see that little plastic roller right there, it'll break. Okay, I ordered two of them for when that one breaks, or I decide to take it off if it works real good. This kit, it wasn't real cheap, but as you can see, without that roller, the door does not stay closed. So we're going to take it out of the bag and get me a Allen wrench and some blue Loctite, and we're going to put it on there, and I'll try to video it while I'm putting it on. Okay, I think you can see it. I don't know how many times I'll knock the camera off, but it says to push the door out, put the pin on like that, and then let the door, see, it's already holding the door open. Put a little bit of blue Loctite on the bolt. It said, whoa, see, that's why I got blue Loctite on Tom. That means I'm gonna be stuck. Probably needed to mix it up a little bit. Maybe you can see this. Go ahead and put it on there. Drop it. Well, it's Loctite in my concrete. Okay, put it in through there. Put that on there. Man, that stuff is thin. Put a little bit more on it. Take it and put it on there. Get it started. Come on, start. I think it started. Yes, it did. Now then, you can turn it around. Find the one you don't have one in, which is that one. Right there. Let the door hold it. Get your bolt. Put your Loctite on it. Drop it 3 or 4 times. Give it a dozen. Put the lid back on the Loctite. Wipe it off of there. Turn it around. Tighten up the other one pretty tight. Okay, that's that one. Go back around to this side. Make sure you didn't get them mixed up. And voila, there it is. Hopefully you was able to see that. Think you can see it now. Maybe. But I'm going to put me some white grease on it, and wow, that thing's been broke for almost a year. But in order to do that, to replace that, you have to take the door off of the car, because you cannot drive that pin out and drive it back in. So the easiest way to take that door off would have been take the front bumper off, take the fender off, unhook the wiring harness up in the behind the dash. Then you'd still have a hard time, and you know, if you'd have had replaced the door pins and bushings in it, you could have just drove the door pins out. But this still got the original pins in it. Well, I'm happy about that. So thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you get the chance, get out in the garage and work on something.